It is time for another Stitch Fix, and they did not offer me this last time when I checked out to waive the styling fee. So I did give it a little bit longer. I think it was 3 weeks in between this one and the last one, maybe even a month, I think. So this is another fall box that I requested from Stitch Fix. So let's go ahead and unbox it together and try it on. So if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is a clothing subscription service. You don't have to do it monthly. You can do it as often as you want to. You can do back to back all the way up to once a season if you want to do that. And it is a $20 styling fee, which will go toward anything that you purchase from the box. And here is what is inside the box. You guys have got a little bit of a different packaging now, and to kind of streamlined where they only have one of these now. You've got a little QR code that you can scan if you want your styling cards, but this is what you're going to see from your stylist, and it looks like I still have my same stylist and the pricing sheet on that. And I'm also going to link down below a referral link for you guys. So if you click on the referral link, it will give you $25 off your first box. So that's going to cover your styling fee plus a little bit more. And then it also will give me $25 toward my box as well. And then you also have the pre-printed label to send anything back that you don't want from this box. And here is the bundle. Okay, so the first thing feels really soft. It is from Fortune and Ivy. I seem to get that brand a lot. The Caitlin Zipper Detail Cow Neck Knit Top in Gray, size medium. This is super soft, and if you can see it, it has like a little square detail. A lot of texture, super soft. I like how soft this is, so we'll see how it looks. And then this is from Market and Spruce. It is, I don't know. There's not a tag that tells what this is. Yeah, there's not a Stitch Fix tag on here, so I'm not sure which one this one is, but it's in this rust color. It's got some button detail here. Little bit of a waffle knit. This feels soft too. And then we have something else from Fortune and Ivy. It is the Estrella Keyhole Mixed Material Blouse in red, size medium. So you can see it's got that more polyester blend on the front, and then that keyhole, and then in the back is more of that knit stretchy fabric in the back. Love the color. Then from Staccato, there is a long sleeve, a smocked sleeve knit top in black. So it looks like I've got all tops in this one. And then the last thing is from Market and Spruce, the Allison Lace-Up Ribbed Brush Knit Hoodie Sweatshirt. Oh, this is soft too. There's a lot of soft stuff in here, guys. So looks like all tops. So let's try it on. Okay, so here is the first top. So it seems like there was all tops. So I'll just keep my bootcut jeans on with all of these and show you just the tops. This is, I think it's the Market and Spruce. It's got the like lace-up top, so you could tie it if you want to. It's got this thinner hoodie, which I don't mind hoodies as long as they're not those thick ones that just bunch your hair up in the back, and the ones that kind of pull, you know, your neck and you're always pulling them down. So this is thin and nice and lightweight. Love the navy color. I think it'll look really better with some lighter colored denim instead of this darker, but this is soft. It's got ribbing. You can see the ribbing, super soft. I love this. This feels good. This is a good what I can wear right now because it's not too cool yet still here in Tennessee. So I like this. So this one is the Market and Spruce Allison Lace-Up Ribbed, and then it cuts off in navy. This one is $49. Next up is going to be this red top. Oh, I love this color. My mom would love this top. She looks so good in red. And it's got this like metal detail right here, keyhole. You've got a little bit of pleating here. And then the bottom of the sleeves are those stretchy elastic sleeves. So, you know, you can always pull this up. This is the one that has that mixed material. So it's more dressier, blousier looking in the front and more casual in the back with that stretchy knit material. So I just have this front tuck, but I think this would look really good with some black work pants. Some wide leg pants would look so good. So here's the length of it. I think I like this, you guys. I think this one is a good one. I love the color. The fit seems pretty nice too. I like that it has that stretch in the back. So this one is the Fortune and Ivy Estrella Keyhole Mixed, and then it cuts off. And this one's $49 as well. Here is the cow neck top, and I hate tops where it feels so soft on the outside and then the inside does not have that same kind of feeling. So if you can see this, it's got that nice texture, but this is super soft. And on the inside, it's got like a different kind of material. So it's not as soft on the inside as the outside, but it's not itchy. I don't really like anything that touches my neck, so this doesn't. And it's got that little zipper detail here, so that's cute. I like this. So let me just go ahead and take this. You can see the length. So it's got a rounded hem, a little bit longer in the back, not quite bottom coverage, so I'm not sure if I would pull this off with some leggings or not. I'd probably just front take this with some jeans for some casual looks. So this I think is like kind of lightweight, but I think I like this one too, you guys. This one is the Fortune and Ivy Caitlin Zipper Detail Cow Neck, $49 for this one as well. So here's another of these sweaters, and I'm loving this one. So I like the color. This button detail is so cute. It's got that waffle knit detail in the front, and it feels really nice and soft. It's got this paneling on the side that kind of slims. So if I just had it untucked, it's got a rounded hem as well. And then if I just front tucked it, I like that look a little bit better. So this is just lightweight enough. I can envision some of the blazers and jackets that I've picked up already going over this to layer. So I think I really like this one. This one's from Market and Spruce, the Janice textured button, and then it cuts off. $49 for this one also. So when I was opening up the box, I was like, I'm not really sure about this. Do I need another black top? I have so many black tops. But when we figure up these Stitch Fix math, it's probably going to be free if I wanted just 4 and then not this one. So it's got a really good, like, scoop, not really scoop neck, a crew neck. It's got the smocking on the sleeves, which I really do like that. And then, you know, it's just a black top. Here it is tucked in. Here it is untucked. So let's see how much this one is. Okay, it looks like this one is $40. So this is from Staccato. It's the Daria long sleeve smocked sleeve, and then it cuts off. So $40. So the total for everything is $236. This may be the cheapest box I've ever received. So if you buy all 5 items, you get a 25% off discount. So the 25% off discount, if I bought everything, would take $59 off. So with that Stitch Fix math, if I liked all 4 of those except this one and thought, oh, I don't think I need just a plain black top, this top is $40. My discount, if I got them all, would be $59. So this virtually is free, and I'm getting $19 off of something else. So, you know, Stitch Fix does that math really well where you think you have to buy it all. So then take off the $20 styling fee. And then I did have a promo credit, so they took another $5 off. So thank you to the person who signed up through my referral link, and I hope that you have enjoyed your first box. And if you're watching this, please comment down below and let me know if you've received your first box yet, and if you liked it, if it was a 5 for 5, or if there were some things you didn't like about it. I would really love to know. So the total for all 5 tops would be $152 if I took the 25% off on that. So I do think this might be the cheapest box that I've ever gotten from Stitch Fix. And I think this is Fix number 61, if I'm correct. It doesn't have it on here anymore, but I'm thinking this is 61. It's either 61 or 62, I think. It'll be up there on the thumbnail or on the description which one this one is, but I think it's 61. So I think I like all of it. Guys, tell me what you think. So for me, I think it's going to be a 5 for 5 box. And I would just love to hear your thoughts, you guys. I always love to hear from you guys. So just comment down below which ones you liked or which ones you didn't like. And if it looked hideous on me, because sometimes it helps to have another person's view, whether something looks good or not. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video. And until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.